Good morning, grade 8. Welcome back to class. Here is our first assignment for Bible as we prepare for future assessments. You have been doing the summarization of chapters that we've been reading, and to go along with that, a helpful tool that we'll be using as an official assessment, summative assessment, will be our map project. For this, I want you to recreate the map of the Holy Land, or the land of Judah during the time of the Roman occupation. And as Jesus was there doing his ministry, I want you to make this map more clear, first of all, and I want you to add color, add the regions. You can see the 5 different regions, cities, and bodies of water. These are the must-be things in your map. You can choose to exclude other ones if you want. However, you will be assessed on how well you can make this map. You can see here that this map is black and white. It takes up about half the page. I want you to make a map that's larger, that takes up about 80% of the page, so that you can have bigger writing, easier to use, easier to understand. As always, we must include the 5 elements of a map: a title, right? Orientation. I need to know which way is north, south, east, west. If you recall, you would have to have a legend where you explain the meanings of different things, a scale, how small is it actually, and then a grid, so some sort of longitude and latitude, or create your own so that we can find absolute location on this map. If you have any questions, please ask me. This is the assignment. If you cannot find it, it needs to be nice. You can find this sample map online or in the back of your Bible. Usually Bibles have the map there. You can take it from there and then recreate it on a piece of paper. You have to make it. You can't just print it. All right. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.